Hello there, boys and girls. Welcome to my neighborhood. Can you say, get your griddle on? I knew that you could. So, tonight, it's actually getting dark out. We got taters. I haven't done taters in quite a while on the griddle. I'm trying to watch my handsome figure, and they don't always come out right, but I'm ready to practice some more. What did I do? Dice these up. It's two big taters. Washed them, rinsed them, washed them, rinsed them, soaked them, rinsed them. Then I covered them in this, which has some ingredients. And while they're cooking, I'm going to add some of this stuff because I want to. So let's get to griddling. We need plenty of Earl, just plain old veggie Earl. Toss these down. Yum, yum. Let's spread them around a little. I also patted them dry after the last rinse, and then tossed them in the seasoning. I may need a little more seasoning. I watched, what did I watch? One of my favorite cooking channels. What's the name of it? It's got a name. I'll think of it in a minute. Throw some more Earl on. You do your taters like meat and put granulated salt on ahead of time. That helps soak up the moisture and dries them. So kosher sea salt or kosher salt or sea salt, something like that. This is everything but the elote, which frankly enough, don't really care that much for on the corn. It just doesn't do it for me. But I thought to myself, I said, Sil, let's try it on taters. It's got salt, chili pepper, cheese, chipotle, and cumin. And who doesn't like cumin? Chili cumin. Taters like paprika. If I'd used my, that was too much. My seasoning, it's already got paprika in it, but this meat seasoning didn't. And I've been putting this on almost everything. I love it. It's like red pepper flakes, but not as spicy. A little more earthy. It's like a bell pepper mated with a red pepper flake, and it's perfect. And maybe just a little bit more of this. Hopefully I don't over salt. And here. Take here. But from what I've read, getting the moisture out really helps. And that's probably what I've done wrong in the past. That, and I'm impatient, so I pull them off too soon. Didn't cut them wafer thin, just normal thin. And ooh, hot. You know what I forgot? I was going to dice up an onion and toss in too. You know what else is a good idea? Curling. I'll do that in a sec. I'm going to grab some onion flakes and throw on there. Then we'll cover and let it cook. Chopped onion, yay! Since I didn't chop up an onion, let's just give a nice generous shaking. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your groove. Shake, shake, shake. And do a little more Earl. You over there. Put a lid on it. Create some convection. That's our word of the day, convection. And use the dome, grilled cheese, bacon, tri-tip, which this is going to be eaten with, even taters. You create convection and it cooks fuller and moister unless it's a tater. Okay, we're getting closer, and it's gonna be pushing it on the time because I'm almost out of sunlight. In fact, I am out of sunlight. I got residual sunlight now. But some of this is really coming along good. Just look. Oh, that looks perfect. Ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? Yes, it is. Let's try this one. Okay. Just a touch too much salt. Which means my lovely assistant will love it. She likes lots of salt. I like just enough to season it. But I'll flip these over again in a minute, and hopefully there'll be enough light to show you. Okay, y'all. Shed a little light on the subject. So, overall, the seasoning is awesome. They need to crisp a little bit more, but I got it right this time, I do believe. I'll keep them cooking, and nice spice. Just a tad too much salt for me, but some people like it extra salty. But yeah, it's a winner. Like I said, just need to crisp a little more, especially those that ain't sitting flat on the griddle. And we be done for now, at least for y'all. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful hints. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!